and Beaus, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and just overall lifestyle. So if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you to subscribe, share, like, definitely hit that bell notification so you know each time I upload a video, and I upload every Wednesday and every Friday. But this month, it's a little different because yes, we are in the middle of Vlogmas. And if you are just stumbling across my channel, make sure you go down to the description box. I have everything in there that you need, links to previous Vlogmas videos, and then everything else that I put out. If you can tell by my sweater, well, probably not my sweater, but the decoration that I've done in the studio, this is all about ugly sweaters. Every year, a aunt, a coworker, a somebody wants to keep this tradition going, and everybody's always like, oh my gosh, I hate it. Well, you don't have to, right? Ugly sweaters don't have to be non-fashionable. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys 4 sweaters that I picked up from Target, readily available, super inexpensive and affordable, and I'm giving you guys some style tips on how you can show up to this party looking like 3 snaps in Z formation. Now, even if you're not physically going to the party, you can virtually show up and show out. I'm going to show you guys my outfit and then we can get right into the video. Today's look is super simple. I am wearing a sweater from H&M. I purchased this like 3 years ago. They have some kind of rendition of this every single year and it just says Gangster wrapper. I thought it was a really cool play on the ugly sweater trend, and I wore it to the office one time and got rave reviews, so I've been wearing it ever since then. And then I just have on a pair of skinny sort of sweatpants from Nike. You wouldn't even be able to tell. They're so comfortable, but they dub as leggings. And then on my feet I have the Llama sequin booty from none other than Christian Louboutin, wearing a pair of regular silver hoop earrings, and then my makeup is Juvia's Place. I think last time I said Julius and that is incorrect. It is Juvia's Place. That's it. My lippy is a mix of, maybe it's Maybelline, and I think it's color 579, and then Huda Beauty that was gifted to me by my good girlfriend Tasha for my birthday. So all right, let's get into this whole ugly sweater situation, because you don't have to be ugly. You could be fly wearing an ugly sweater. I'm gonna show y'all how to dress it up. All right, now that we got my outfit out of the way, here's 2 things that I want you guys to keep in mind. All of these sweaters or sweater dresses I'm going to style with faux liquid leather leggings. Why? Because black is a staple, right? You can use whatever other neutral color you would like, but it just seemed to make sense for me to style all the sweaters with black. And the liquid is just a little bit extra. It doesn't have to be a liquid legging. It doesn't have to be a legging, but I would suggest something black on the bottom, because these sweaters have a lot going on with them already. So you also want to keep the focus on the sweater, just in case, like I said, you're not attending this party physically, you are attending virtually. I got these liquid leggings from Misguided. They are a US size 6. These can literally be found any and everywhere. I will link these down in the description box if Misguided still has them available, but if not, like I said, this is a super readily available piece. I mean, everybody is selling leggings. Everyone is selling liquid leggings. If you don't opt for leggings, you can probably wear something like a black sweatpants. I thought about that also, but mine are in the dryer, so they weren't ready in time for this video. But that's the tidbit that I would give you guys. Just keep the bottom simple, or your bottom piece simple, just because you want all of the focus to be on the ding 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 sweater. It's an ugly sweater Christmas party, so you know, read the room, or better yet, read the invite. Let's get to the first look. Sneak peek at the sweaters. We have this kind of like Christmas tree color block, blue and green. This is more so like a dress than it is a sweater. It needs to be ironed. I'm sorry I did not do that for you all, but we're still gonna get the look. And then there is, of course, you cannot have Christmas without having a cardigan. So there's this like cat situation with some ribbons and a little bit of like animal print detailing. And then I'm going to swing you guys around really quickly. And then here we have this, I mean, just hodgepodge of a situation. Like, this sweater screams Florida. It's got palm trees, pom-poms, flamingos, parrots. I mean, it's giving you the works. This is Christmas, ugly Christmas sweater, like throw in the kitchen sink. And then we have some cute little llamas here with more pom-poms. And then, I mean, come on, you can't do Christmas without sequin, baby. Come on. All right, let's get into this. Please tell me this does not remind you of your favorite arts and crafts from your niece and nephew, or arts and crafts that you did yourself when you were in elementary school. I mean, how cute is this? Pom-pom overload, right? We'll give them a little bit of fashion credit because they did color block this. So they gave us the color that is in season, which is this royal blue. And then they gave us green because the bottom of this dress obviously is a Christmas tree. I just paired these with some snap-on studs that I was gifted by my girl Jules Bajador. I'll put her information down in the description box if you don't already follow her on Instagram. But I mean, this is just super cute. I will say, this runs small. This is a size large, and this is more so of a dress than it is a sweater. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let's get a little variety in there. When I tried this on, I didn't wear the black leggings that I suggested in the beginning. So let me show you guys how this thing flows, and then I'll do the voiceover. But this girl is, oh, the price on this was $25.99, but I'll go ahead and tag it in the description box. This one just makes me really happy, and I guess if nothing else, right, that's what Christmas season and the holiday season is supposed to do. But honey, this one was challenging. She was challenging. Oh, and I paired it with my YSL Diocese heel just to give it a little bit of flavor, and also just because I had this gold foil. So if you guys are not able to see that in the video, that is the shoe. Actually, let me grab it in case you can't see it in the video, because sometimes the angles. So I paired it with this shoe just to give it a little a little bit of pizzazz. I figured that the metallic on the shoe worked well with the foil of the star. So if you don't have to wear these, you don't have to have these in your closet, right? So I'm not saying that you need to go out and buy a pair of YSL pumps to go with this $30 sweater. No, if you have anything metallic in your closet, or even if you have something that's a matte gold in your closet, it will pair really well with this sweater.
I will say that the fit of this dress is actually very surprising. Albeit a Christmas tree dress, it's a nice fit and flare. I paired it with a pair of clip-ons, and you can see like the waist probably could be cinched in a little bit more, but I mean, this is not the Met Gala, right? This is the ugly sweater Christmas party. So wearing an ugly Christmas dress is, you know, all of the stuff that I'm always looking for in life, just going against the grain. I decided to pair it with a nice little clutch. Even if you're doing this virtually, I mean, you can accessorize. For God's sake, there's like 50 pom-poms on this dress, right? Like, who could it really hurt? But I do like the flare, and it has very, very nice movement.
All right, so here I am giving y'all an animal print-esque Christmas ugly sweater cardigan, okay? We have my cat here on the left-hand side, my left, your right, and this is very festive. Of course, the pom-pom on the Santa hat is real, it's 3D, it comes out. And then on this side, we have just a nice little sequin ribbon, and then some snowflakes right here. And the lining of the cardigan, so all up and through where the buttons come down, and then the sleeve is a Christmas fur detail. And then the pattern on here is actually kind of shiny. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. So maybe that, well, if you can't see it, it is a little bit shiny. I paired it with these earrings, exclamation point earrings. They're plexiglass from the brand Something by Tarja. I bought this during like the height of quarantine. So I will link that down in the description box if they are still available. And then I just wore it, like I said, with the liquid leggings from Misguided. I'm gonna say this several times. It was giving me very Peggy Bundy vibes. And they're comfortable, but they make noise. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know a way to stop that from happening from liquid leggings. Please let your girl know, because they're cute and I want to wear them, but I don't want to be, you know, I don't want to be that girl. I don't want to be that girl. So anyway, I chose these earrings to pair with this sweater just because I wanted to play off the sort of color pattern that was already happening in the sweater. Again, there's so much going on with these ugly sweaters that you want to bring some style into it. So I also did it because I paired it with these black and white color block chunky booties from Public Desire. I know what you're thinking, Jen, why does your shoe have two colors and why does the heel look this way? But trust me, the 70s style are coming back in 2021, and you heard it here first. Also, these are a dupe for all of my Insecure fans out there. I've talked about this before, of some Christian Louboutins that, what was Terrence's almost girlfriend's name? Her. She had these on in an episode and rocked them, and ever since I was in love. Then I saw the price point and I was like, girl, sat down. Sat down is like more aggressive than sit down. It's like you should have been sitting down. You shouldn't have been even looking at those, right? Let me roll this video of me trying this on and I'll talk more about the specifics.
This sweater is actually not that bad. It's a nice fit. It's very comfortable. It's not none of that itchy material. I see what they were trying to do here with kind of this like animal print and then just the block colors in the back. If you wanted to make it more sexy, you could wear it slightly off the shoulder. This is a size medium, so I didn't do that with this, but you definitely could. You can also unbutton it a little. These are those same earrings by Handmade by Tarja, plexiglass. I will put that down in the description box. I wish the sweater was just a little bit longer. The sleeve length is perfectly fine, but the length of the sweater, I don't know. I thought about tucking it in, but this look was giving me like very Peggy Bundy. I guess because of the liquid tights, and also probably the two-tone shoes. But I mean, you can wear this, you can rock it.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Okay, I won't quit my day job, but y'all, did you hear me coming? This sweater is literally Florida ugly Christmas sweater kitchen sink. It has everything, and when I say kitchen sink, it's because there are bells, there are pom-poms, there is sequins, there are flamingos, there are ribbons. I mean, there's everything on here. Literally, they did not miss a beat. They did not miss an ornament. They did not miss a theme on this sweater. This is a size medium from the brand 33 Breeze, $29.99, available at Target. I picked this up obviously because it's ridiculous. Right? Like, seriously, this sweater is ridiculous, but that doesn't mean that it cannot be dressed up. Okay, so I paired her with these earrings from Bobble Bar, also from Target. Actually, I should say Sugar Fix for Bobble Bar. Last year sometime, long time ago. So maybe they're still available, maybe they're not. If not, they're just these beaded earrings. So I'll try to find something comparable to these. And then for my shoe selection, I actually went with an yellow Louboutin because it's the color that felt most fitting. So let me run this tape of me trying this on and I'll do more voiceover.
Out of all the four, I think this is actually the epitome of an ugly Christmas sweater because of the size. This is a little bit oversized, and it's almost like what you would find in your uncle's attic, like, you know, somewhere from the 1980s. It's got bells on it. It's got pom-poms. I paired it with a nice pair of hoop drop earrings just to give it a little bit more of a modern flair. But otherwise, it works really well. It's not itchy. I mean, I'm trying to like jazz it up, but honestly, I would not mind wearing this only, and I mean only, to an ugly sweater Christmas party. And then the nice flare, the shininess of the liquid leggings also makes it really cool.
All right, so another sweater selection from Target. This is also from the brand 33 Breeze. This was in a size medium and it cost me $29.99 because Target never disappoints, right? This sweater also is the kitchen sink, but this is not the Florida version. Or maybe it is, because you know what? I'm gonna up the ante a little bit. Why not? I'm throwing on these glasses because my llamas have on glasses. They got pom-poms, real pom-poms. They've got sequin arms, right? Red detailing here on the sleeve, but it's not the furry like that we saw on the cardigan. And then I'm also gonna accessorize this with my pillow clutch from ASOS. This is a dupe of the Bottega Veneta super popular bags over the spring and summer of 2020. Actually, these came in fall and winter of 19 and then dropped in 2020. So I paired it with this just to keep the llamas alive. Like, I feel like they kind of get lost in all of this that's going on. They kind of get lost in the sauce. And then just to keep it super mature or keep it super consistent, paired it with a pair of white stilettos, patent leather from Steve Madden. You could probably also wear this with a blue. I just don't have a blue shoe. I do have a blue envelope, no, not a blue envelope. I do have a blue like pillow clutch, but it's not really the same blue, so it wasn't giving me the same vibe as the white one was, so I didn't opt for this. But I can totally see pairing a blue accessory or a blue shoe with this look. Maybe not so much with the yellow and blue, but I mean, listen, this shirt has pom-poms, sequins, you know, llamas, fur. You can do whatever you want. Let's roll the tape of me trying this on.
Okay, this is another one to serve the kids with, right? I mean, glasses, white clutch, just to kind of mirror the llamas that are on the sweater. You have sequin, you have pom-poms, you have everything. I actually like the juxtaposition of all of the colors, and then you have these like, boom, liquid leggings there. You could probably wear it with a matte earring too, but I mean, why not? Go for gusto. The sequins, again, that's a really nice sequin sleeve if I do say so myself. Very well done.
All right, so that was it. That was fun. I hope you guys certainly enjoyed it. Like I said, I mean, most of these things are to have fun anyway, let loose, even if it's with family or co-workers. This is just a good time to be merry, be with people that you can still be with. 2020 has been so crazy that we can find joy in the little things. So I appreciate you all for watching. And typically I would see y'all next time, but I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.